I'm Malu Liwanag, wife of Pastor Janelle, senior pastor ng El Shalom and City Sanctuary Church. Ako ay nurse by profession. Nag-aral ako at nag-graduate sa Angeles University Foundation, cum laude ng Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Nag-work ako sa Amerika for 14 years, and after 14 years, nag-decide kami ng husband ko na bumalik kami dito sa Pilipinas to serve the Lord. Alam nyo, may ikukwento ako sa inyo. Yung nakikita nyo sa inyong harapan ngayon, yung naririnig nyong boses, ay milagro ng Diyos. I am a miracle of God. Kasi hindi ako ganito dati. My Christian life started when I was 11 years old. So, grade 6 ako noong time na yon. Yung grade 6 na yon, if we turn back time, yung elementary years ko, early elementary years ko, I was molested. And yung time na nangyari yon sa akin, over and over, I would always feel inferior. I felt na marumi ako. I felt shame. Wala akong confidence sa sarili ko. Hindi ako makaharap sa ibang tao. Hindi ako makapagsalita. Kasi ang sinasabi lagi na natatak sa isip ko noon, nung mga nagbiktima sa akin is, you have to be quiet. Huwag mong sasabihin kahit kanino. Hindi ka magsasalita. Ganon yung nangyari sa akin over the years. Until na-encounter ko si Jesus. Yung encounter na yun yung nagbigay sa akin ng hope and freedom. I remember yung session ng Revelation of the Cross. Yung word ni Lord sa akin, may trading, may exchange na mangyayari. Kung ano ang meron ka, if it's guilt, if it's shame, if it's low self-esteem, kung ano man yung ugly past mo, I can trade it right now. Ibigay mo sa akin yan, and I will give you purpose. Nung ginawa ko yon, I felt relieved. I was crying. I remember my sisters were there. It was the first time na sabihin ko sa kanila, sinabi ko sa kanila yung nangyari sa akin because I didn't tell anybody. And during that time, after that, there was freedom. Nagkaroon ako ng freedom na, Lord, no matter how ugly my past was, you will make it beautiful. You will make things beautiful. Kasi naramdaman ko, nagkaroon ng palitan. Kung anong meron ako, I just offered it to God. And that time, binigyan ako ng vision ni Lord. Yung picture ba na I was standing in front of a lot of people. Sabi ko, napaka-imposible namang mangyari noon. And little did I know na may plan pala ang Diyos sa buhay ko. During the time na bumisita si Bishop Oriel sa bahay namin, nagsabi siya, Janelle, Malu, umuwi tayo ng Pilipinas, magpapabago tayo ng bansa. And that time, June 2013, umuwi kami dito sa Pilipinas. And that started the fulfillment of God's plan in my life. Noon, mahiyain ako. But when I started serving the Lord, I started speaking to people and in front of a lot of people. Doon na-develop lalo yung self-confidence ko, yung self-image ni Lord para sa akin. Every drop na nandun sa mukha niya, yun yung blood na nagtanggal ng anumang shame, ng anumang inferiority, na anuman ang tingin ko na wala akong silbi in the past, I now consider myself valuable in the image of God. Kasi may plan and may purpose si Lord. In exchange ko kung ano yung meron ko. No matter how pangit our past may be, if you will do an exchange by trading, God will give you the best deal of your life. The miracle that is in front of you right now.